Hello guys, in this short video we need to see how we can download SQL Server 2019, and then I need to run the executable file to be able to download the media for it. So first I need to access to the evaluation center. The link is provided, you can download it, or just type evaluation center SQL Server 2019. Then here you have the information, what's new about it. And the good thing about SQL Server 2019 now, you can install it on also Linux box. In addition, you can use it as a container in a Docker, and you can use it for big data cluster. For us, our target is Windows at this stage. Choose your installation setup, click on it. And then I need now run SQL Server engine on Windows, preview SQL Server 2019 for Windows, click on it. Now that should take me to the evaluation center. And in evaluation center, as you see, we have SQL Server. Just expand, and you need to download the exe file. Once you have the exe file, it is just about 4 megabytes. Double click on it, and now you need to decide, do you want basic installation, custom installation, or download media? To me, I prefer download media, so later I can install it on any virtual machine I want. With basic installation, to install a SQL Server database engine feature with default configuration, this one, SQL Server installation wizard, and choose what you want to install. This installation type is detailed and take longer than running the basic install. For us, download media, and I need to tell where's the path. So tell me like the ISO image, size of it is about 1.5 gig. Less than 1.5 gig, it's just 1 gig, and the location is fine, and start download. And that's it. You need now just to wait it till you will get your ISO image. Then you can continue with the installation process. Thanks for watching.